Hey there, it's Dez
and Hartley
for T-Mobile, and today we're going to show you the new Joy Tab Kids 2, a kid-friendly tablet with awesome features like Kidomi curated kids content, parental controls, and a bumper case to help protect against bumps and drops. Let's check it out. The Joy Tab Kids 2 offers access to Kidomi curated kids content. Just fire up your tablet and explore the large digital library full of fun learning games and books.
Kids can even enjoy some great movies and shows on the Joy Tab Kids 8-inch HD display.
Plus, they'll stay connected with T-Mobile's nationwide network. The Joy Tab Kids 2 includes parental controls, which help allow you to set time limits for how long and when the tablet can be used. Parental controls also help to allow for access to the content that you're okay with, and much more. And while your kiddo is in the Kidomi experience, they can't exit the experience without a PIN code set up by their parent.
The included bumper case has a lightweight design and it's easy to hold. Perfect to help protect against accidental bumps and drops. Whoops!
The Joy Tab Kids 2 was built to keep up with kids. It's got a long-lasting 4080 milliamp hour battery with USB-C charging. And the Joy Tab Kids 2 also functions as a full-featured tablet, just in case you want to use it. The Joy Tab Kids 2 features both a 5-megapixel front-facing camera and rear camera.
Hey, did you know it was powered by a MediaTek quad-core processor?
That's awesome! It also runs on Android 10 out of the box. It's got 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage with a micro SD card slot as well. Now in the box, you've got the new Joy Tab Kids 2 tablet, bumper case, quick start guide, a USB-C charging cable, and a wall charger. The new Joy Tab Kids 2 tablet is here, with Kidomi curated kids content, parental controls, that cool bumper case, and T-Mobile's nationwide network. Check it out at your favorite T-Mobile store or online at T-Mobile.com. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.